In today's video, let's talk about how to use your Android phone without a phone case. So if you're trying to make your device naked, which means you're trying to remove any sort of phone case, there are a few things that you'll need to ensure. The first thing that you need to do is make sure that you add in the drop prevention accessories, which includes phone grips or any sort of magnetic conversion stickers that would help you to prevent from any sort of drops. And you can also apply or install premium screen as well as back protectors. Now this is the external things that you can add in. Now in terms of internal things that you can do within your device is to enable the one-handed mode. So just head over to the settings on your device, search for one-handed mode, and once you're inside of the one-handed mode settings, you can simply toggle this option on. And what this simply allows you to do is reduce your screen to a particular screen size so that you can simply use your phone using your one hand instead of using two hands, which allows you to easily use it using your one hand, and this easily prevents the phone from dropping. So this is the exact process that you can follow, or the few ways that you can use your Android phone without a case. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.